my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have a guest here with me today.
Hello!
This is Roxy. We've been meaning to film together for
oh my god,
very
ages. But I mean, we thought it's October.
It's Halloween
time. We have to do a collab now because we always do like similar videos around Halloween time.
Yeah.
So
we both love trying on Halloween costumes. Both have videos of trying on Halloween costumes, so we thought we'd do it together.
Exactly. Yeah, why not?
We've also filmed a video over on Roxy's channel. I will link it in the description down below. And what did we film?
So we did 10 DIY Halloween costumes for couples and best friends. So if you guys are still struggling on what to be for Halloween, then there should be something last minute for you guys in there.
So make sure you do head over to Roxy's channel after watching this little video where we're trying on costumes. Roxy hasn't seen them, so I'm excited to show them to you.
I don't know where you're gonna put me in.
I know, I'm excited to put her in. There's some good ones.
Okay.
There's some good ones.
I trust you.
So, should we get
into
them?
it? Yeah.
Okay. First costume is. Oh, you
What
can
is
see it
it?
on the back.
Oh my god, what is his face? He's like.
We have matching ones for this.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
They're cute.
It's got little ears. That's actually really cute.
That
How
is
much was
cute.
this?
I have no idea. I'll have it on the screen for you.
Okay, should we unbox them?
Yeah.
Let's have a little look inside. Okay, how'd you open this? That's a zipper. Wow, this is
We
premium.
both did exactly the same
Premium
thing.
packaging, guys.
Can I get this out?
Wait, I can't either. Wow. Okay, there we go. We're in. We're in.
Wait.
I'm struggling. It does kind of feel like felt.
It does
Doesn't
a little
it?
bit, yeah. When you rub it over each other, it does feel like.
You rub it over each other.
No, listen to this.
Ooh.
It feels a
Bit
bit
of
weird.
ASMR.
That's cute.
That's adorable.
Oh my gosh. Same.
Wait, has it got like pockets? Because that would make my life.
Oh my god. I love this. But then you can't lift your arm any higher than that.
Not that you really need to, but
Like, you're like reaching something on a shelf, then it just brings up your pants.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! They're so cute! I would totally wear this. This is so
I actually would
comfortable.
too.
It's like I'm wearing my pajamas.
It feels like you're wearing a onesie. Like,
It does. Wait, what are these?
Wait, what? Oh, I think you're meant to like tie at the back maybe.
Oh.
I like the fact that you can actually have these up because sometimes in costumes these actually like fall down.
Let's just do some posing. Ooh, yeah, we just go upside down and sleep.
Should we try that?
Should we go this? Wait.
Okay, this was a bad idea. All the blood is rushing to my head.
This was your
How
idea.
did we end up like this?
Oh. The next two costumes don't match, so I'm gonna let you choose which one you want to be.
Okay.
So the first one is French fries. Look at
Life made.
golden fries, actually.
Oh my god,
and
that's
then
cute.
the other person gets to be tomato ketchup.
saucy. Oh my god, imagine if you got a burger as well, and then you were like in a group
You
of
could do
three.
a group, and then I've got an egg costume as well.
Oh
You could
my
just go as a
God.
plate of food.
Can you imagine? Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Oh my gosh. Wait, my face
It's very big.
Yeah, my face is not going to fit in there, I don't think. I've got quite a large head. I've got like an actual little tomato ketchup lid. And
That
it's
is
shiny.
so cute. Let's try it on.
This is not going to go well.
Mine's gonna be pretty straightforward. I'm
Right,
in.
I'm
I'm
lost.
in already.
I'm lost.
There's a lot to your costume.
Oh no.
I love yours. I love this. It's
You
actually
look so cute.
Oh
You
my
look
God.
so cute.
I don't know if I could actually wear this all night, like as a Halloween costume, but it is cute and it looks good. Yes, do it. Wait, I want to just put my arms in. This is cool. We should do like a little.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Look, I'm an actual bottle.
Oh my
Sit
God,
down.
I don't know how to feel about this.
A burger, chips, tomato ketchup. What else you can get? You get bacon. Oh yeah. You get bacon and fries and I get egg McMuffin. I'm gonna get a bit of salad.
What would you rate these costumes out of 10? I would say
I give it a 7. That's
I'd
too
give
high.
it a 7. Yeah, no, I'd
Give it a 7.
They're pretty solid.
We've got another costume where we're wearing something different.
Okay.
This is a guy-girl couple costume. So I'm
Ooh,
happy
okay.
to be the guy, which means that you get to wear. You get to wear the bloody nurse's costume.
Oh wow! Does it come with the stockings?
No.
Oh Oh, you know what? Those hats never stay on my head. Like, literally never.
I get to go as this fun guy.
Oh my god! You actually get the mask.
I don't know, do I?
Yeah, you do.
Wow. Well, I'm gonna look really attractive next to you. Look away.
Got it on.
Right. Go.
Wow. Is that how you look when you wake up? Because that is me when I wake up. It just looks like a napkin. Doesn't it just look like a napkin?
Is that
Wait,
right?
is it the other way? That's the way it's meant to go.
Is there no tie?
No, it's
So it just sits
it
on
just
there.
sits.
As if you're gonna have that on all night. You could bobby pin it maybe.
You could bobby
but
pin it, and then this is the dress. This is it.
Cute.
Love
That
the
looks cute.
exposed ribs.
I've got 2 parts to mine. Ooh, I've got a fancy pair of doctor trousers.
Ooh.
Oh wow, that is a short cut off leg. Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh wow. Good.
That's cool.
I'll take this.
That's good.
That's not bad.
This is my dress. Oh my god, that actually looks really creepy.
This is so oversized.
Oh my God.
it stinks in here.
Oh, I hate masks like that. Can you
It's not
actually see
that bad.
properly?
Barely.
Because like your eyes are like half in the. Oh, you look really creepy. Oh my god, that is scary.
I can just about see.
That
Can
is
you hear me
cool.
properly?
Kind of. You sound a bit muffled.
When this happened.
I feel like if you had like a knife prop.
I don't like masks.
No, I think I like them without the masks. Definitely.
I like yours a lot, but I just don't. Your ribs literally end here.
Yeah.
They are very small. It's annoying that I can't take my jacket off though. Like,
Oh no. But I mean, it definitely completes the outfit.
I think I look alright. Got a little missing leg. I don't know what happened there.
Hmm.
It does the job. It's comfortable, but I wouldn't maybe choose to wear it. So maybe a 6.
I would give mine like a 5. It's just not the greatest. Like, it's alright. No, I really like yours. Yeah.
But there's no pockets, and I feel like a surgeon would have pockets.
No, they
Do
would.
surgeons have pockets? You guys know I am obsessed with inflatable costumes, and you guys love
Me
them
too.
too.
Me
so I
too.
thought we'd put them on
Okay.
and
what
be
have you got?
inflatable together.
What have you
I've
got?
got us matching pumpkin costumes.
Yes! It's like the little. Has it got a
Oh wait, yours is different to mine.
What?
Where's my fan?
You haven't got a fan?
No, I must have a fan. I've got a fan, it's just in there already.
Oh, really? Mine comes with
Yeah.
a fan.
Look at our little
And then a little hat.
Wait, we have to look
Ooh,
at
oh my god, wait. That's so cute. They kind of look like
Oh my gosh.
like shower caps.
Yeah, they do. Look at that.
Imagine.
It's kind of cute.
Love that.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think we'll even fit in the same screen. Like actually wearing these once they're
Look at
inflated.
this. They're massive.
Oh my god. Oh. So
I'm
cute.
so excited.
This is gonna be my favourite one, I think.
I think this will be my favourite. Oh my god, my foot.
Oh, one foot in. Are you alright there? I think I'm in. Am I in?
I think I'm in. This is great.
This is.
Look at this.
This is. Oh my god, it looks like a napkin. Look at that.
Oh, this is so much
Best
easier with
friend
a friend.
goals. Yeah.
Wait, where's my hat? Where's my hat?
There you go. Oh, it feels very airy.
Wait, I'm almost blown up already. Get your hat on, Roxy.
Oh my god. You're almost all blown up.
I'm getting there.
Oh my god. These are really cute. They like wobble. I mean, I would actually wear this for Halloween.
I would happily wear this for Halloween. I'm twerking, but no one knows. no one can tell.
That booty.
Look at it!
I didn't realise until I looked in the mirror.
Oh no,
What? Is it deflating?
mine's gone off. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, you look really sad and deflated now. I just don't know what to do with my arms.
that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you head over to Roxy's channel to watch the video we filmed together over there. See ya! Bye! God, I'm laughing.
You know, it's... I don't know what I'm saying.
We also did... wait.
Oh,
love is sexy.
Wait, but the camera...
You got me just on the eyebrow. She's rubbing my boobs.
No, sorry.
My hair's in my face.
That was a bad idea. How did this video turn into this already? Should I do that whole thing again?
Yeah.